Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we're heading into the weekend. It's been really a slow week, and that is not a surprise given that this here is a corrective structure in which we are moving at the moment. Let's take a look at the chart. Price today reacted to the 78.6 Fib level. So we'll take a look at what that means. First of all, just want to explain the greater context again for anybody who's new. But tomorrow we are going to take a look at the daily chart again. Today we really only covered the shorter time frames because not too much happened. You know, the structure is the same, nothing changed, not even on the smaller time frames, so also nothing changed on the daily time frame. Idea is that in this pullback here, which is an ABC structure, a larger A wave bottomed. So ABC in wave A here. Then this here could now be a larger B wave. Okay, so you know about that already if you watched the previous videos. A, B, C in wave B. And then the C wave down to follow a little later once the larger B wave has topped. The large B wave is my preferred scenario, also a scenario I communicated in the last few videos. It would be my preferred scenario. I did cover it and published my idea on X earlier, on Twitter. If you're not following us there yet, then feel free to check it out. You'll find the link in the description. Published 9 hours ago. I explained that the B wave is now deep in B wave support. Let's make it a little larger. And here we did explain that, yeah, the price is not deep in this B wave in yellow here. And if a larger B wave, this one, is forming, then Bitcoin should ideally hold the $62,300 level. So that's the idea. Yeah, that's the preferred scenario, as mentioned also in the last update. However, if the $62,300 level is broken and the price sustains below it, then it's likely that the larger B wave isn't happening. Instead, wave B, as highlighted in red, already topped then. Yeah, but I would prefer a larger B wave. So going back to the live chart, we see a first initial reaction, yeah, to the lower boundary line of the support area. That's here at 62.3K. And it's an ABC structure. It's a 3-wave move down. And you know, I like the idea that we might have bottomed there in wave B, but it's obviously not entirely clear. So what I need to see next is a break above this descending trend line as an early indication that indeed we've bottomed here in wave B and that wave C could have started. If wave C could have started or has started, what would be an ideal target? Well, we can define that based on the length of wave A, which topped on Thursday, going to the low of the wave B, and that gives us an ideal target range in addition to the standard resistance area that is on the chart already. So the ideal target range starts at the 100% extension level of wave A. That's here at 69,920, and the next level is 71,857 and 73,000. So I might leave them on the chart. We'll see where we are tomorrow, but ideally what I'd like to see now is a further increase of upside momentum, a break above the descending trend line, and then a follow through. Okay, but as I said, for this potential, let's call it short-term bullish potential, to remain valid and to realize, I really would like to see the last swing low hold. I mean, another low is always possible, but then it would increase the probabilities that we're already in wave C here to the downside. Wave B topped here already. And yeah, this is something that we observe. But for now, I like the idea that this here might have really just been an ABC structure to the downside, and we could have bottomed locally at least, and we start the move in wave C. But I don't have a, a clear setup for the wave C to start. So obviously, if the C wave is unfolding, then the C wave would be a 5-wave pattern as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that 1, 2 setup would be a clear setup that would suggest that wave C to the upside is unfolding. But we haven't got enough price action for that. Okay, so it's really crucial that today's low is holding. If not, it will definitely increase the probabilities that wave B has already topped, and I will probably make it the preferred scenario. Should we see a break below today's low, I will make the red count the preferred one, basically that the B wave already topped. Bitcoin doesn't really need that high B wave. Ethereum actually, I think, is in desperate need for a high B wave, but I cover that in the Ether video. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.